Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're going to talk about
adding
math.
fractions. So in fractions, we have a denominator and a numerator.
And the numerator means?
So a numerator means the top number. It's the top number. And it means how many parts you have.
Yes.
So pretend we have a chocolate bar.
Yeah.
And then you eat like... You guys get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you eat three. You want to eat 3 pieces. And then there's 5 little pieces.
Yeah, good.
And then you eat 3.
And
then the denominator is the bottom number.
Yeah, total number.
Which tells you how many, the whole thing.
Yeah.
The full thing.
Full. So 5 chocolates I have. So you eat 3 chocolates.
Yeah, 3.
Yeah.
You eat 3. Next.
So draw shapes like circles or rectangles divided into equal parts. Can you draw that one? That fractions? Yeah.
Draw rectangle.
Circle or rectangle, yeah. And now divide it into equal parts. So you have a total 5 parts.
So 1,
2, 3, 4, and 5 already there.
Wait.
That's okay.
That's good.
No need to be perfect, Lina.
Well, I'm just trying to make it equal.
Yeah.
And 5.
Yeah. So
then
3 you eat?
Yeah, so I'm just going to shade how much we ate, okay?
Yeah. I think we already talked about this in fractions, so we have to focus on the adding one. So keep going, Lina. So now you understand what is fractions. Now let's go dive into the adding one.
Yeah, now.
Yeah. So
well,
let's see.
Say what she said.
Adding fraction with the same denominator. Can you see the? Can you please see everything? Yeah.
So example is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5.
Yeah.
I'll show you how to teach. I'll teach you how to do that. So explain the rule.
Yeah.
So when the denominators are the same, you just have to simply add the top numbers, the numerators. You don't have to even add the denominators.
Yeah. So in that case,
it's not simple addition.
Yeah. So here you see 5 and 5. The denominators are same. Basically, what will be the answer, Lina?
So the answer, I'll just tell you the answer. I think it's here. Yeah, so it's 3 by 5. How? We add 2 plus 1, which is 3. And you keep the bottom number 5.
Same.
Pretend there's a 5.
Yeah. Okay, keep going. Yeah.
And then, okay, and now we're going to do, you try this at home, we'll tell you the answer.
Yeah.
So 1 by 6 plus
4 by 6 equal to how much?
How much? Think what it is. You can pause the video if you want to learn, or you can just do it, and then we'll tell you the answer.
Right, so it will be?
It'll be, the answer is 5 by 6.
Exactly.
So if you got that right,
yep.
Great job.
So let's see now in the other case.
Yeah.
So if the denominators are same, then that's good. So you do it that way.
Adding fractions with different denominators.
The rules gonna be same? Rules gonna be same or different?
There might be changes.
Yeah. So here you see 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3.
How do we do this? No, I know how to do it, guys.
Yeah, let's see how we'll do it.
Anyway,
yeah, I think that we explain here, so you can keep going.
This is without. So we have. I'm just gonna write it so that you guys can see it. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3.
Yeah.
So we can just So I'm just gonna put the equal sign here.
Yeah.
So
how we can make that equal?
Yeah. So
denominator.
So what we gotta do? Here's how you do it. So we gotta make these equal, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna times this, but to equal 4. But how do we make it 4? That's not possible, right?
Yeah.
So what we also have to do is we have to times the numbers so that it equals the same number.
In the both
sides.
sides.
For example, let's do 12. that you can do 4 times 3 or 3 times 4. So we can do 3.
Yeah.
Here.
So if
And then if you do it with the bottom number, like if you time something with the bottom number, you have to do the same thing with the top number. So I also
so if you have a 12, that 12 will come in the both tables, in the 4 table also and the 3 table also.
Yeah.
That's a
So
12
then we'll
is a
put
good
3
answer.
times 1 there. And then since we're doing it by 4 on this one, we gotta do 4 by this.
Yeah.
Too small. And then this one would now be 4, and this would still be 3.
And then
Sideways.
bottom will be 12.
Yeah, so these two are 12. So now our denominator is the same, we can just put our denominator there. And then what's 3 plus 4? 7.
Yeah.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
So if you have a different denominator,
it's 7 by 12.
Yeah. So let's see if you are right or not. Keep going.
Yeah. So 7 by 12 is our answer. Okay, I already explained the rule.
Yeah, so you need a common denominator, a number both denominators
So 7 by 12.
can divide it into.
Yeah, we did that.
Evenly, the least common denominator is 12.
And by the way, least common denominator stands for LCD.
Yeah. So you're right, Lena. What you did is good. Okay. Next one. Now let's see if you can answer these questions. So the different denominator here, it is an equal denominator. What will be the answer here, Lena? So we saw.
So this one is an easy one. It's just 5.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna write it here. I'm just gonna make some lines so that if we have to do math, then we can do it whatever. So we already know that this is 5 by 8.
Yep.
How?
Because
3 plus 2 equals 5. And then denominator is same, so that you can put it at the bottom.
Okay.
I tried singing a song.
Okay,
it's not
good.
even a good song.
That's okay.
So that's 5 by 8.
Yeah.
And then we gotta do the same thing with 2 by 5 and plus 1 by 2. It's the same thing that we did, just different numbers like in the other side.
Yeah.
So
it's a different denominator here. So the rules will be you have to get the common denominator.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna make it
which
bigger
is
for you guys. Equal. And then I'm just gonna.
Yeah, if you multiply by here.
I think that's a 1. This is 1, okay, guys?
It's okay, Lena.
And then, okay, so now we gotta do the same thing.
Yeah.
So that extended, and then this will be times 5, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, to equal. We're going with 10, okay, guys?
Yeah.
We're going with 10.
Because 10 will be the common denominator.
You can do it with both, so.
Yeah.
And then this
here will be
times
2.
2.
So here will be 2. Here will
so
be
this
5.
one will be 4.
Yeah. And that
and
will
then
be
this one
5.
will be 5. And then this is
10.
10.
So which is 9 by 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the same thing you can do it at home. It's the same process.
So
8 by 4.
we already know that we have to just add times 4.
Yeah. So 8 times 4 is 32.
Times 2.
Not 2.
So, yeah, 2.
So it will be 3 by 8 equal to 4 by 2. You're right.
She misplaced it.
There you go.
It's a plus.
Keep going there.
And then
and plus. Yes.
Plus.
Yeah, you do it. It will be 8, right?
This is not right.
Yeah, just erase that one.
Then why did you do it?
Yeah, okay, that's okay.
I'll just.
Oops. So 8 will be the common denominator, right?
Yeah. So then all we have to do is just times 2 by times for the 2.
8. Yeah.
No, we times the 2 for the 4.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna write it here.
3 by 8 will be same, and then
plus 1
by 4 is 2 by 2.
And then we're gonna do 2 times 2.
2. Yeah.
And then times 2.
Yeah. So 8 by 3 plus 2. So 5 by 8.
Yeah. So equals. This is no, it's 5 by 8.
5 by 8.
5 by 8.
Yes, that's all.
So now we have all our answers.
Yeah, it's a lots of
5 by
explanation,
8,
but you have to
9
keep
by
on
10,
practicing.
and so 5 by 8, 9 by 10, and 5 by 8. Two answers the same, two answers not.
Yeah, good.
I mean, one answer not.
Okay, so that's all for the fraction. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.